Hello doctor, I hope you are fine. In the configuration of a step 4, in this configuration, it's a full automatic static routing table is set up. And the network here is uses configurator A and host 1 runs one instance of Bing app. Bings are set also to host 7, and visualizer here displays routing table, as we can see here, routing tables, and which focuses on routers to host 7. So in step 5 we have two steps here, step 5a and step 5b, and as we can see here, which is extend from like it's built on configuration from step 7, and it's manually overriding, as we can see here, manually overriding routes to a specific host. And the configurator here is used manual setting from step 5a XML, as we can see here. And host 0, as we can see, runs one instance of Bing app as like the previous step, and also like are sent to host 6 starting at 0.6 seconds. And in step 5b, like it's built on configuration from step 4, and the description, it's, as we can see, manually overriding individuals routes. This is the description. And for the configuration, like it uses manual settings from step 5b XML, and with the route optimization displayed. And in the application, in the Bing application, host 0 host 0 runs one instance of Bing app, and Bings are set to host 6 starting at 0.6, also 0.6 seconds. So in step 6 we have also 6a and 6b, and the extents it builds on configuration from step 4 as well. And in the description here, as we can see, use data rates as the metric for routing for automatic rounding tables configuration. And it's also here the configurator uses setting from step 6a XML, as we can see, and the visualizer focuses on routes to host 1. Step 6b, it builds on configuration from step 4, as we can see here, extents equals 4, and it's manually specific link host cost for automatic routing table configuration. And the configuration here as well, it's it uses settings from step 6 .xml, and the visualizer focuses on routers to host 1 also. Step 7 uses the network uses configurator B, and for the description, the configurates a hierarchical network with optimized fully automatic IP address assigned and static routes. And instead in 7b 7c, it also uses configurator B, and it's for the description, it configurates a hierarchical network with optimized hierarchically assigned IP addresses and static routes. And also use setting like step 7c XML. So for step 8 we have step 8a and step 8b. So for step 8a, for the description, it uses wireless. Here, as we can see, it's wireless, not like the previous ones. It's wireless attributes for configurator, and it loads setting from step 8a.xml. And as we can see here, it runs one instance of Bing app, this one, area 3 LAN 3 host 2. It runs one instance of Bing app, and Bings are directed to area 3 LAN 3 host 2. As we said, it's wireless settings. And for B, same thing, but like as we can see, it uses SSID for configuration in the mixed wired and wireless network, and load setting also from step 8b.xml. For step 9, uh, the network like uses also configurator C, and the description leaves some parts of the network unconfigured. Also here, as we can see, for the configurator setting, it loads setting from step 9 XML, and it also like sets SSID for access point area 1 AB and area 3 AB, and assign default SSIDs for wireless agents in area 1 LAN 3 and area 3 LAN 3. As you can see, if we run it, you can see here the configurator here like this for step 4, as we can see, which like gives the detail of every device, what the station or the IP address and net mask, and send the data.